Welcome back to my channel, everybody. It has been a minute. Septien is back with an unboxing. I've been waiting for these. Earfun Free 2. Woo! My ears are ready. Got that Qualcomm aptX. Let's take a look at all of this stuff on all the features and specs. Got service, yeah, you got contact info. Nice clean white box. I don't know if this shows up on the camera, but it says better sound, better life. Well, we shall see, because I am a big fan of Earfun. Let's get into this thing. Yeah, I got these on Amazon. I think it was Thursday night. They're going for like $59.99, but if you use a promo code EarfunF2, that's all one word, you can get these for like $34. Oh, well, look at that. Oh, okay. Earfun got fancy with it. I was trying to dang peel this off. They got magnets on there. Look at that. They got magnets. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Let's take this flap off. So this inside here is going to be the instruction manual, the quick start guide, user manual. What's this? Oh, this more contact information. Okay, put that to the side. What else is in here? That's it. Okay. Ah, man, these are packaged like the Jabra 70 Elite 75Ts. Look at this charging case. Whew. Okay, so yeah, I'm officially dubbed these Godfather Part 2. This is nice. I like that matte black finish. My only gripe is they only got the single LED indicator light. But it turns green, so hopefully it's turned green for good battery, and yellow, and then red when you need to charge it. All right, let's look at the buds. Okay, yeah, they got fancy. That right there, ooh, man, they look like they're about the same size as the original Earfun Freeze. Let me drop these into the charging case. Get the other one out. Drop that in there too. Okay. Okay, so it blinked green and then it went off. So I'm assuming that means it's good. Here's another feature these earbuds have. Check this out. There we go. Wireless charging. Woo! Okay, do a size comparison of the cases. Move this box out the way. Oh, let me show you what else is inside the box. I'm geeking out so hard, I ain't even doing a proper unboxing. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Got the charging cable. Get this out the bag. I already know what kind of charges. USB-A to USB Type-C. And we got our silicone tips. Let's see. And just open this up. Okay, this bag is childproof. I'm just gonna rip it open. Let's see. Here we got the small and large. I mean, yeah, small and large. Yep, that's it. That's all that comes in the box. Now, let's turn our attention to the buds themselves. Yeah, the case is a lot smaller than the OG Earfun Freeze. A lot smaller. Let's take a look at the front. Wow, that's man. Nothing wrong with the original Earfun Freeze. I mean, I still use them. Sorry for that weird jump cut. I'm a noob at this. So, now that I'm back, I paired these up to my iPhone 12 Pro. I'm gonna let these charge for a little bit. And I really like the wireless charging. They kept that, they moved that to the Earfun free part 2, Godfather part 2. Great specs. We got IPX7 water resistant. We have Qualcomm aptX. They got the new Qualcomm 3040 chip. We got 7 hours on a single charge, 23 hours with the charging case. That's a total of 30. We got touch controls, volume controls, 60 millisecond low latency for videos and games. And they got some pretty cool dynamic drivers in. So overall, I'm impressed. I like the fit. They didn't really change much, which they really didn't need to. I mean, it's really hard to top the original Earfun Freeze. I mean, the only thing they really needed to change was the controls, because whenever I used the buttons, I pushed them deeper into my ears, and that was like hurting like that cartilage right there, that little dimple right there in your ears. I forgot what it's called. I'll probably remember it when I'm editing the video. And as far as the tips, they fit good, but you already know how I do. I'm extra. I got the CP T25s. These go with the AirPod Pros. I'll be trolling SpinFit. I follow them on Instagram. I'll be like, so what tips fit with these buds? What tips fit with those buds? And they always reply back. They're a good sport about it. And they said that the CP T25s, although they do fit the AirPods Pro, these also fit certain earbuds. Like, let me see here. Which earbuds I got with a stem? I just put some CPT 25s on those. Crap. Nope, those got the CP360s. Let me see. Which one's got the T25? Oh, here we go. Okay, I got the T25s. I mean the 1025s on the Tozo NC2s. They're very similar to the AirPods Pros, and these fit perfectly at that good passive noise cancellation. So I'm gonna see if these things will work with these earbuds. Just gonna do this because I love having that passive noise cancellation, and I also like the secure fit that SpinFit provides. Let's see. Oh, these ain't going nowhere. Okay, stock tips go bye-bye. Yep. Go ahead and put, yeah, okay, here we go. Oh, man. That feels good. Yeah. Okay, these feel good. They're not going anywhere. They're not moving at all. Ah. I love that. That's nice. Okay, now let's test out this J. Cole track, Fire Squad, right quick. Use touch controls. I think it's double tap for pause and play. Yep. Okay. Okay. I ain't mad at Earfun. They actually got touch tones on these. So when you press play, it's a little like tone that plays. And when you press the volume up and down, there's a tone that plays. So I like those touch tones. That's good. Very good. So far, I'm impressed. I like these, man. I'm gonna do some further testing. Listen to some more songs. I take them to work. Use them on my lunch break. I'm gonna live in these buds. I'm gonna sleep in them too. Let's see. Now let's compare. Okay, see this. is what I'm talking about. This is the Jabra Elite 75T case in my left hand, and the Earfun Free 2 in my right. So I think Hefe said in his video, these are more similar to the 85T charging case. You know, the Jabras is still the smaller case, but even still, hold up. Let me compare them to my favorite earbuds. They're in my pocket. I just got these out of the box. I was listening to some music the other day. Soundpeats T2. Close. It's close. It's nice and compact though. You put these in my pocket. Oh yeah, these are pocketable. Oh, okay. I don't think these will fit in my 5th jean pocket. Let me see. Yes, they do. All right. Not bad. Man. So here it is. I got 3 true wireless earbuds that charge. Well, 75Ts don't charge wirelessly. But still, they got 3 pocketable charging cases on all 3 of these. With the Earfun Freeze Part 2. Yeah, I'm liking these. Man, I like it. Let's do a size comparison of the original with the 2nd gen. Yeah. This is nice. Ah, man, these is nice. Hold up, let me get my Tozo NC7s out. Okay, Tozos are slightly smaller. Ever so slightly. Still got that nice dot design though. I like that dot design. Yeah, the NC7s are a lot smaller than the Earfun Free Part 2. But they both are ergonomic, so I don't expect any ear fatigue because Earfun, they come with it. They're undeniable. So this has been my unboxing and first impressions of the Earfun Free 2. Thank you for watching. Oh, I almost forgot. I recently reached 100 subscribers. I just want to thank everybody who subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. I kind of suck at this, but it really means the world to me that people, are subscribed to my channel. So if you're new, please subscribe and come back for more. And once again, thank you for watching.